Kwame Angelo.
Yeah. Body overtake, oh. Body overtake. The spirit and the soul.
Hey, Don Kitchen, what are you doing?
Make you no make any loose talk. Cause I said na okano. Me boy bro dia kwacha na koton.
Hey, Don. Every day be a day kitchen, you be foodie so.
Hey, I be foodies. Hey, Chema, hey, you be what, Jeff? I no go talk.
One Don at the beg, forget, wait till you cook.
Hey, right here. I see how come you the beast be waiting I cook. I cook at Belima then quarantine. Can't take.
Don Kitchen, please forget, at the hunger.
Make a day kitchen then cook. You can't eat right. They can't call me Don Kitchen. Hey, you shatter they sing them. They call Don for music inside. They call me Don for kitchen. Hey, okay, I hear. You know something? You see the chop I did our house back on antimony. Yeah, you go wash some dishes and them go give you free food. Okay, Charlie, make you not delay cry.